Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. So you want to know more about Dashboard's Pending basket. Pending documents are documents that still require an action. Here you can decide how many documents you would like to display at a time. You can search with any of the data displayed on the table, from document ID to priority. Under Document ID, you'll see a green cross. This green cross opens to display the document's activities. For more detail, you can open Document History. You can also download this document as a PDF. To open your document, you can click on the Open button. To download your document as a PDF, you can click on the Download button. To copy your table, you can click the Copy button. To download your table in an Excel spreadsheet, click the Excel button. To download your table as a PDF, click the PDF button. Here you can see on what page you are on. You can navigate to the previous page and to the next. That is a short overview of Dashboard's Pending basket. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.